Oh, thank you. The letter T and H together make the th sound. Can you say it with me? Great job. Thank you is a word we say when someone helps us, gives us something, or does something kind. Let's spell the word thank you together. THANKYOU. Thank you. Excellent.